designing anything, this is the big challenge, that although the design is functional, yet it has to be interesting. Users should not get lost in the design or get bored rather than enjoying it. Users should enjoy every bit of the space they are using throughout their life. That is an order. Discipline is required in every work in our normal lives. Order helps us to organize things logically so that they can make sense. Order without diversity can result in monotony or boredom. That means you will get bored very easily. While the opposite of order is chaos or anarchy. So at the same time, diversity without order can produce chaos also. In design, what is most desirable is to have a balance between diversity and chaos. Order can be achieved in many ways using any of the following visual design principles. These are balance, rhythm, unity and harmony, emphasis, scale and proportion, and contrast. So, the first principle of design, balance. Let's talk about it. Balance is equal distribution of visual weight on either side of the composition. That is, whatever you are putting on the right side has to be like the weight on the other side of the room. It is not necessary that balance has to be symmetrical. It can be asymmetrical too. But the aim is that if you talk about the volume, then the volume should be same on either side of the room. So consider this example. This is the example of symmetrical balance. Here everything is perfectly symmetrical. That means if you will draw a line in the between, then whatever is in the right hand side, it is exactly the same on the left hand side. This is asymmetrical balance. Here you will notice that the sofas on the right hand side are not like the sofas on the left hand side, but the volume on both sides it's same. Contrast is the juxtaposition of opposing elements. That is, when one element is completely opposite of the other element. Contrast can be in color, size, shape, architecture, etc., etc. Now look at this first image. Here contrast can be visible from three different angles. First one is the size. The building on the front is smaller in size, whereas the building on the back is larger in size. From the second angle, you can see that the building on the front has traditional architecture, whereas the building on the back has modern architecture. Third angle, the building on the front is made from all shades of brown, that is, which is very dull, whereas the building on the back is made from blue color, which is very bright. In the second image, there are two colors. One is grey, the second one is yellow. One is dull and the other one is bright. Third image. In the third image, although the scale of grey and red is same, but look at the color contrast. Grey is so dull, whereas red is very bright. After this video, there will be a quiz 1. I request all of you to please complete that quiz. So, all the best.